Welcome to Master of None. My name is Rodney. Friend of mine contacted me and said, can I borrow one of your bat suits? I mean, as you know, I have a few, but no. uh, one of the members of one of the Facebook Batman pages I belong to said, I don't loan out, what do you say, my motorcycle, my wife, or my bat suit, and not in that order. Anyway, what I'm going to try to do is, I do think that I may sell him my Rubies Batman cowl, because it's anyone that's seen the video that I made or have tried them, they're pretty big. My head is 23.5, which is, close to like the large size. Like, it's a lot of dome. You look at it on the profile, and I think his head is bigger. So we'll probably do a measurement of his head, or I could just let him try on this cowl. And if he wants to purchase it from me, that's fine. And I also might have a suit that I'd be willing to part with. But what I'm going to try to do is help him to create his own suit on the cheap, which is something that I bet a lot of people are trying to do right now. And it's actually difficult if you are truly a Batman fan and you want an authentic costume and you're not willing to mix and match things. But since he is a big guy, he actually looks like a football player. Since he's a big guy, there might be a lot we can do to turn him into more of a bruiser type Batman. And depending upon how this cowl fits him, that'll decide how good he can look. So I'm going to give an honest effort into helping him find his way, to his inner bat. And hopefully you'll enjoy watching. Come here for a second. Trying to think if putting this in there. Oops, sorry. I wonder, you know what? Can you, no, getting it on was hard enough. Let me see if I could just stick this up in there. Close your right eye.
I'll close both.
Okay, stop being an ass. That better?
Oh, yeah.
Got it right off your eye?
That's off my eye.
Yeah, okay.
This is Robin.
Yeah, right.
It's my sidekick.
Is that a lot better?
Oh, yeah.
Come here. Stop playing. Gouge your fucking eye out. Close your eye. You fuck around and get fucked up. All right. No, but that looks good. That looks good. How does it feel? I mean, you can see okay? Okay,
yes,
anyway.
I feel great.
Anyway. No, that does look good on you. So let me see something. Now stay right there. Be right back. Is it just on there? Yeah, good. Luckily.
Oh, you know when you put it all together?
I'm thinking about having you try that suit on.
You're going to make me feel like James Brown right now.
All right, so we got Santino suited up. He's wearing the Pat Bat cowl. He's also wearing what I would call the basic Batman suit with a Batfleck belt. No boots because You know, we were just really just trying to see what the suit would look like with this particular cowl. And I don't think that looks bad. I mean, that's my personal opinion. What are you thinking, Santino? Do you feel like the cowl goes with the suit? Do you feel comfortable in it?
I feel like it goes with the suit. I feel comfortable. Yeah.
Yeah, one of my issues with this particular cowl was when I got it, it was really loose on me, and I knew I'd have to put a lot of padding inside of it. But if this works for you, I think I'm gonna gift it to you.
Hey.
There it is. Hold on one second, I got another idea. Stay right there. See if you can get your hand in there. Oh, it's gonna break. Okay, you got it on. See if it stays. If you get it off. Same deal. Do your hand like that. Push through. It's tighter.
Yeah, this needs to go tighter.
Is it gonna go on? No. Okay, I stopped. Let's get that one off. See if it comes off. Do the same thing. That's what's making it fatter. Or it comes. So it must not be the same size. So put that on. It's one of my old leather motorcycle gloves. They're too small. You got here like OJ. Orenthal. Go ahead, you know to put it on.
Maybe this hand's just fatter.
Yeah, it's possible. Get fat hands. But just like just having the addition of the gloves. Now, what I'm going to advise for you to do. I mean, are you liking this? I mean, would you wear this? So this is going to be my advice. I'm going to show you on Amazon where you can get gauntlets that'll actually come up higher than that. And then maybe if I have time, I can make you your own belt. I have a lot of other projects going on, but I think that I think overall it's a good look for you. And then my advice would be for the boots. I mean, I could also show you where you can get actual Batman boots. I think I mentioned them to you. They're like $60, but I would get some type of rugged boot, like a Harley boot or like some type of construction boot, and just, like I said, be a brawler Batman, be a, hardcore kick-ass Batman. But what are your overall thoughts?
I like it. I just don't like my keg.
Well, you know what? Let me try something. Stand by. All right, so one of the things that I want to know was whether or not if, because of Santino's concerns about his stomach, is if we brought the chest out, would it make a difference? And it does. These are foam pieces that I use to these are the same foam pieces that I use to create this muscle suit that I wear because I'm not in shape. I do have a gut, and I feel like I look better. I feel like I look better when I'm wearing my costume when I wear this. So since I had two chest pieces, I put them in the suit, and you could kind of see them. I mean, it's like they're just sitting up under the suit. They're not glued or attached to anything, but just that addition has helped with how this looks, and I think how he feels. So I'll probably let him keep them if he wants them, and I can tell him how to attach them to a T-shirt, just so he could use it for this purpose. So since Santino is satisfied with this suit and with this cowl, and we're good friends, instead of charging him an arm and a leg and making him pay for it, even though I was just going to keep my Rubies cowl as a display, I'm going to give it to him, and also this suit, because I want to make sure that he has something that he wants to wear for this Halloween. And this is also an example to you. If you're shopping around, you can piece things together and make something that you feel good about. But we will have to figure out his belt situation, whether he orders something or I make something for him, and he still has to figure out the boots. But all in all, he's walking out of here with basically a full costume. Thanks for tuning in to Master of None. Keep your chin up if you're trying to figure out something cool to do for this Halloween. If you got any questions, or maybe there's something that I could address in my next video. I want to do a lot of that stuff, before Halloween comes. So keep tuning in for that, and catch you on the next one.